Hey now, will changing the take profit levels on the Parabolic SAR MACD 200 EMA trading system produce more profits? Let's find out. This is Trader's Landing. This video is a follow-up to my previous two videos where we tested a Parabolic SAR MACD 200 EMA system 100 times in a row. A lot of traders think that when they take partial profit and move their stop loss to break even, the gain on account will increase, because in essence what you are doing is attempting to decrease losing trades. However, the strategy of taking profits and losses does not always work as intended. These types of exit strategies should be tested over a series of trades before implemented to see what the numbers tell you. So in a further attempt to optimize this system, we'll review the exact take profit and stop loss levels, which will be broken down into two different positions. We're going to test it 100 times in a row, review the results, equity curve, and compare it to the previous test. Look in the description below for the list of indicators, system rules, and stop loss placements. I'll review them with you now. So this system relies on three different indicators. The first is the Parabolic SAR. The second is the MACD, and the third is the standard EMA. So we're going to be looking for three criteria for entry. We're going to look for a close above the 200 EMA, a PSAR long entry signal, and a cross up on the MACD. And those three things happen on this candle right here. So what we're going to do is take our entry tool, place our stop below the previous low, and we're going to take two positions. Our first position is going to be a 1-to-1, which hits take profit right there. As soon as that happens, what we're going to do is move our stop to break even and let the rest ride. And then as we can see, it stops out here. So right where it stops out, we can see that we have a new entry signal right here. We have a cross up of the MACD on this candle above the 200 EMA and a PSAR long signal. So we are going to enter on this green candle, stop below, and we're going to target 1-to-1 and let this play out. And we get a take profit level here. So the rest is going to go up to 2-to-1. Move our stop to break even. And we can see what happens. And the rest of our position is stopped out at break even on this candle right here. So here we have a short entry signal, and the criteria for a short is the reverse of the long. We're looking for price to move below the 200 EMA PSAR short signal and a cross down on the MACD above the zero line. And all of that happens on this candle right here. Stop below the previous high. And we're going to initially target 1-to-1. And let's see what happens. So we get take profit right here. The rest of our position is targeted 2-to-1. Move our stop to break even. And let's see what happens. And TP2 is hit right here on this candle. Sorry, this candle. Now it's time to do what we do. These are the results on the Euro USD 1 hour time frame. There were 28 that hit target 1 and 36 that hit target 2. Another 36 hit the stop for a winning percentage of 64%. It took 898 days to find those 100 trades in a row. Most wins in a row was 3 and most losses was 7. The total gain on account was 32%. Now let's compare to the last test we did, where we just had one take profit level. This is a good comparison because it is the exact same set of data and illustrates a very important point. You can see in our last test there was a 49% win rate, but the gain on the account was 47%. And when we use a multi-level take profit system, the win rate increased to 64%, but the gain on the account dropped to 32%. This illustrates what I call find the crumbs. You got to take a strategy and examine all the aspects, every little thing, every crumb, because when you start to eat those crumbs, you'll get a bigger piece of the pie. However, you also have to take into account your own trading psychology level. Are you going to associate negative emotions with losing trades? Well, that's a big problem to begin with, but you may want to be trading with a higher win rate percentage strategy over a more profitable one. Does that make sense? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on notifications so you'll be alerted to my next production, and please let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns in the comments box below. Bye for now.